This video is about the btransfer M1630 Pro DTF printer bundle, and it's honestly a solid option if you want to start or scale custom t-shirt printing without stress. If you are curious about the latest price or want to purchase it today, make sure to check the link to this printer in the description below. What really makes this bundle stand out is that it's truly all-in-one. You're not just getting a DTF printer, but also a touchscreen powder shaker and dryer, a portable stand, consumables, and even a laptop, which saves a lot of setup time and extra costs. Everything is designed to work together, so you can focus on printing instead of troubleshooting compatibility issues. The compact and portable design is another big plus, especially for small workshops, home businesses, or even on-site printing needs. The built-in automatic and manual cutter adds a level of precision that many entry-level DTF printers don't offer. On top of that, the smart holiday mode with self-maintenance is extremely useful. It keeps ink circulating and nozzles clean during breaks, which helps prevent clogs and wasted ink, something every printer owner worries about. The shaker and dryer's touchscreen display is easy to use, with simple controls that make daily operations smooth even for beginners. Of course, no product is perfect. The setup still requires some learning if you're new to DTF printing, and the pink design may not appeal to everyone. However, these are minor trade-offs considering the overall value and functionality you're getting. For anyone serious about custom apparel printing, this bundle offers convenience, reliability, and long-term support with lifetime software updates. To see current pricing, deals, or availability, definitely check the link to this printer in the description below and decide if it's the right fit for your business.